Welcome to another video here in Gala Yuzawa in Japan, and today we have our last fifth run down this amazing mountain, still with some sun and some good weather. So let's enjoy here the next run together. Let's go.
So this whole area is here also part of Gala Yuzawa, or at least the same area that I have tickets for. So I will enjoy this area and see how the snow is here. I think it would have been very nice if there was a bit more snow. You see these typical Japanese trees. I think it would be very nice to snowboard here between them. Hoopa hoopa, at least a little bit of powdery snow, not much.
So here you will see in a bit it gets very challenging already because the snow gets very sticky and it gets very difficult to keep balance at some points, and especially the offside routes are very difficult.
No, I thought there was a group going there. Maybe here. Let's try. Slow and steady. Because it is, I can already feel it. Pretty hard powder. A little turn. There you go. Lose the balance. Well, we don't quit, we keep going. Ooh. What about here? Up. Oh, no! This is so sticky. It's the hot temperature. No, impossible. Unfortunately, no snow frosts here. I need to clean you up. Even here it's getting so slushy. You can almost not jump. Yeah, you're really sticking to the snow. This is really bad. The moment you go a bit too low, it's getting so bad. Really, really bad. It's impossible to do any powder snow here. It's really like a brake on your feet without you wanting to brake, which is very dangerous. You can do a nice flop. The far east side here, another route. Let's see if this has any fun. Let's put on the gloves and try to enjoy it a bit. Let's see if we can find some decent snow, because this side is pretty horrendous the moment you go a bit down. So let's have a look. I'm not going this way, it's so icy. I'm gonna stick to the main route. Ooh, and it gets so sticky here. You're braking by yourself. That's so annoying. Wow. Beautiful valley though, again. So nice. Can I go a bit deeper? Look at this. So little snow. The ice is coming through. Let's see if we can continue a bit this way. Take the next one. Beautiful view. Woo. That's fun. Woo. It's like a I never was really good at these. Hup. Woo. It is fun. Bit of speed. Let's go this way, take this elevator. But the snow is getting worse by the minute. Not too nice. Look at this ice here. And just do some. It's a bumpy, squishy. Not the best. Let's go back up here. Finish this run.
So here my day ends in Gala Yuzawa, and this is the point where I actually realized I don't have any badge for this area. So I went a bit too far to the east, so my day ended there. I had to take a bus back, but luckily Japan offers buses every 10 minutes from the bottom to any place you want to go. So typical Japan, everything is so good organized. And if you want more videos, especially my last couple of videos will be also this one here, where I have an electric motorbike somewhat, which I can use to visit the mountains and cross around a bit these roads in the snow, which was kind of fun. And there was some learning curve actually, which is always good to hear if you can do some sports which are actually quite difficult to master. Obviously, after a couple of, let's say, minutes, I already mastered it, but still, it was not that easy to just give it a throttle and then hope for the best. No, you had to like lean into it a bit, and it was quite slippery, so a lot of fun. That video will come very, very soon. So if you want to see more, have a look at my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.